Now, I guess we're all used to seeing hashtags on Twitter, Instagram, now on LinkedIn. But did you know you can actually add them to your YouTube videos? Simply by adding up to 3 hashtags to either your title or to your description of your video, as I've done here, will enable your videos to become instantly searchable based on the hashtag presented. So if you click on one here, it takes you through to other similar videos that use that hashtag. I'll show you how it's done. Here we go. Okay, so here I am in edit mode looking at one of my videos that's already public, and you can see that all I've done is basically put the hashtag prwilsonmedia and hashtag free social media training. So what I'm going to do is add another one. So let's say hash social media. I mean, think about ones that you've got a chance of ranking for if your content is very much related to that. And you might want to look at, there are bulk publishing options within YouTube which allow you to apply the same hashtag to multiple different videos in one go. So think about hashtags that are really going to work. Once you're happy, have a look at the live video. So this is what it looks like when viewed, the description viewed from another account that I've logged in as. So you've got 3 clickable blue hashtag elements, and yeah, basically if you click on any of them, if I click on the first one there, you'll see top videos in that category, which are largely related to my own content, so that's great. Obviously if I go for a more generic category, the options here, as I've just added, so social media. If I go to social media, all kinds of different content there, not necessarily going to relate to any other videos. So choose wisely. I mean, I've taken the decision to just have the 2 hashtags very much related to what I do. It's the best idea is to actually add the hashtags into the description rather than directly into the title, because if you do add them into the description, as you can see there, they also appear above the video title, so you get 2 places for the price of 1. If you simply add them to the end of the title, they don't appear in the description. So have a play with it, try some different hashtags, look out for other videos that have those hashtags and click on them. It should work on mobile as well as on PC, and hopefully it'll help you find more relevant content and get your videos more views. So that's it from me. I'm Paul from prwilsonmedia, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.